Dr. Rawls, so many people in our community are in a place of managing chronic illness, managing symptoms, never really reaching recovery. What's happening there? Do we have a problem with the medical system?
Well, yeah, they never get well.
They never get well.
Yeah. I think a big part of it is we're asking the medical system to do something it's really not designed to do.
Okay.
And when you look at how the medical system has evolved, how healthcare evolved, it's really about acute intervention. And for that, we do a great job.
Right.
Vaccines have really saved a lot of lives. Antibiotics in the right place for acute infections, somebody with a blocked artery or a broken leg. Yeah, we do a great job with that. But when we look at chronic illness, and what we're seeing is we're seeing a lot more chronic illness in our society now than we ever have.
Absolutely.
So the medical system, our healthcare system, is trying to manage that chronic illness with the same tools that it uses for acute intervention. And what's missing is, and this is really important, someone becomes chronically ill because their body has lost the ability to heal. And all the medical therapies do nothing to promote healing in the body. Nothing. Because they don't get to the root causes. So, there's a lot of good there. We can stabilize someone in a bad situation, like when they do have a blocked artery or they're really symptomatic. We can reduce symptoms. We can slow progression of illness. So there's a lot of value there. But if you're never getting to the root causes and you're never restoring that natural ability of the body to heal itself, you never get people well. And it's just as simple as that.